So I did not find a hole in the gas tank, but I took the fuel level checker thingy out. I have it sitting in some vinegar, but it seems nice and freed up in there. So I don't know how the wire goes in there. So I don't know if I'll just reuse that. I'm gonna try to reuse it, but I'm gonna see if I can find like a video of how to do that or not. On the flip side, I did figure out what 20-year-old gasoline smells like, and I'm pretty sure I made my cats hide today. So I got that gasket off of the gas tank. I took the gas detector thing off. So I took that carburetor over to my grandpa's house to get it all cleaned up, and we didn't think there was anything wrong with it. So I also figured out that whoever had this before my grandfather put like a half-inch of Bondo all over it. So that looks like it was like supposed to be there, but got a bunch of aluminum on it. Take all the Bondo off, try to see what I actually have to work with. And if we go all the way over here through my rip in the tarp, you can see that somebody put this whole back plate on, put a new back plate on. They hit it with something, dented it, and then they just bondoed over it. So you can tell there, I already pulled off a giant chunk there, but yeah, I stick my hand inside, there's 2 pieces of metal in there. One's rusted and has holes, so that's probably the original. And then the other one's this one. You want them to choke it? I think it should work, but...
Show?
Top side, you have to keep pushing them. That's a lot of overflow. Okay, so I'm planning on taking all this out. This is aluminum. And I'm going to make like a frame to go under. That's what I'm thinking right now. Get a frame to put under, then I can just get like steel like inserts, just put on top of it. Maybe screw it down. But there was master cylinders right under there. Whereas in cars today, it's up under the hood. So we need some easy access to that. There's supposed to be a little port right here. But as you can see, yeah,